Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the Lion Chief Ready to Run set, Thomas the Train Locomotive. This set did not come with the Annie and Clarabel, so let's take a good look at him. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. First, let's take a look at the full engine itself right here. The engine is pretty small. It's at least the length of my hand. You got his... First, let's take a look at the side of the locomotive. So we got his amazing number 1. And I love the good details on the red, the siding, the staircase, and there's no door handles like in the movies. But overall, he has some pretty good detailing. You got the little board things here for the coal, his dome, which we'll talk more about later once you get to the top. And if you come down a little bit, the wheels have some pretty good basically detail too. Here they got that small little flat area, and then you get the side rods and all of that. The train does come with rubber, and yeah. Let's take a look at the front. His face to me could be a little creepy once in a while, but still it's a Thomas face. You got the white boards, the buffers, and his coupler. The eyebrows are triangular like in the CGI series of Thomas the Train. And also, this is when it was made during the CGI series. We're taking a look at the top. I know in the new series toys now, a lot of people have been having trouble with the red strips on the top not being equal. Well, don't worry here. They're equal. You got his wonderful bell, wonderful detailing. You got his windows, the top, and then of course the coal. The back of him doesn't really have much. It just has the light, couplers, buffers, and that's basically it. The coupler does not have a little thing to go out like on the other locomotives, same as the Annie and Clarabel, which we will get to. So the Annie and Clarabel do not come with the Thomas the Train, as I'm going to show you right now in the box. There's really nothing. It's just a locomotive, and that's basically it. The controller, easy. It's also a Lion Chief, Lionel, Thomas and Friends, O-Gauge Electric, ready to run locomotive with remote controller. You can also get the Bluetooth on your phone. And on the back of the box, you have some other cars. You get the Branch Line 2-pack, Scruffy, James's Charleston Trucks, and a tunnel if you want to buy that. Make sure you collect them all. So if you're a Thomas the Train fan, take a good look at this. Also, I got this Thomas the Train at a Lionel store in a mall in North Carolina. I will share a picture with you of that and the location, hopefully, maybe. So, Annie and Clarabel do not have very much on them. They have their faces. As we can tell, this one is Annie, so they have their names, the doors, and what I really like about these, I would have to do it with Clarabel. The roofs actually do come off, so if you want to have fun with these, you can put people inside. Annie's was a little hard to get off, so I'm going to do it with Clarabel's. Also, on the front, got Annie's face, and on the back, really nothing. It's also the same on the other side. Here is Clarabel's face. Nothing on the back. You got Clarabel's name. So let me take off her roof here. And really, there's really nothing on the inside of her. So easy. The roof comes off. And you got a roofless coach. Inside, really nothing. So yeah, like I said, the Indian Clarabel do not come with this set. It's just the Thomas the Train Locomotive, but I normally run them together. So now let's run them around the layout, and well, yeah, enjoy it. And I almost forgot, you gotta remember the remote and its talking bell and whistle sounds. So let me put some power to the track. So basically, a Bluetooth engine or something like Thomas will make this like little beeping noise, showing there is power to the track and that your remote controller is ready. You will switch it on and get going. So let's listen to some of the dialogue that Thomas has in him.
All aboard! All right! Full steam ahead!
Now, those are the only two he says when he is stopped. When he's moving, he says a couple others. But of course, here's his whistle. And it's not like you press it and it goes, no, you have to actually do it. Here's the bell. After a while, the bell will shut off by itself. But really, I don't know why they even add a bell, because Thomas doesn't even have a bell on him. Even in the shows, he never has a bell. So let's see him run, and I will get the sounds going.
Number one engine coming through! All aboard! All right! Full steam ahead! Number one engine coming through! We're rocking the rail! Oh yeah! We're on track and on time!
So that is that, folks. This is your line chief, Thomas the Train Remote Control. If you know someone who wants to start model trains, the ready to run locomotives and sets are very good because it's an easy controller just like this. Um, so really quick, here is the picture of the store. So here is the Lionel retail store where I got my Thomas the Train, I think, and Annie and Clarabel. This store is in North Carolina, near Charlotte. It is in a mall. It is also connected to a Bass Pro, I think. I believe so. It's summer here. So if you like Bass Pro, go ahead. Go here. I don't know the actual. Oh, yes. Go Green CBD Concord Mall. Concord Mall. That's the name of the store. But here is the store. It looks pretty cool. I've been there. They also have a gigantic layout. So go ahead and take a little bit more look at it. Oh, look, it's a Thomas the Train. Whoa. But yeah, go ahead and check it out, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, which will be the review of the Railsim Universe 250 years locomotive train set on Roblox. I think I already posted the trailer for that kind of trailer, just a little short I made. So I will see you in the next one. Bye bye now.